Hey everyone, so I got my Breakfast Club collection. However, the purple one came broken. I tried to save it, but I couldn't. I'm not sure if it was the butter formula, but I don't know, man. I kind of use this like to try and save instead of it going all over a brush, but I don't think that helped much. It spilled everywhere. I contacted them. They sent me another one. I think I'm supposed to get it over the weekend or whatever, like on Saturday. I don't know. See if I could get something out of this. This color to me is the prettiest color in the palette because it's got like this duochrome. Definitely is not a color that you would use as a, yeah, that's not working. You wouldn't use it for the crease. It's definitely a lid color. I just used my NYX purple concealer as the base color. This is really messy. I'm gonna take that dark brown right there, just put it in a little bit and right there. I might have to wear fake lashes. That is really dark. But the duochrome in the shadow is so pretty. It's not really showing up right this second though. There you go. As I smooth that out. I think I'm gonna go with this just to try and blend out that dark brown a little better. Just want to soften that dark brown a little bit. And then I'm going to go into the lightest color right here for the highlight color. Look at what a mess. It's just all over my box. It's everywhere. I hope I didn't go, not going too high. Sometimes I have a hard time getting the camera just how I like it. I'm just going in with that dark color and just, defining the sides. And let's try the mascara. So what I decided to do is the palette, the eyeshadow palette and the face palette and one lipstick came up to about $50. And for the entire collection, it was $60, so I went with that. So I got the mascara. Let's see how that looks. Of course, I'm going to clean everything up, but I just want to see how this mascara looks. It's alright. Not exactly my kind of mascara. I'll probably try putting more coats later, but Anyway, okay, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I want to finish on camera since I'm using a face palette. This mascara sucks. Just want to let you know it sucks. I don't like it. It does nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I'm going to use this lighter, the volume 1. It's lighter than, it's cooler toned. That says Sincerely Yours. OMG, these, because my eyes were so dark, I use lashes. I have like a little watermelon bucket, and I had about 3 pairs of lashes and all of my lash tools. And these were the other ones I used up, they already needed to go to the garbage, and I put these on. This is Sugar Pill. But I realized they are humongous. I use them for Halloween. So I would normally not wear something like this. I got to go through my box of lashes and take out a couple and put them there. I like the demis. Because when you wear lashes this big and you have deep set eyes, you can't see your eyes. And there goes my face turning color again. Ugh. I used a black background to see if it would help, and it's not. My face still looks yellow. But let's start with the pink. Okay. And of course, I'm gonna go with the lighter color. It's a like a cream color with a pink duochrome. Ooh, nice, very nice. I think I'm gonna dip this in the darker and then the lighter color to do my nose. The darker color says Breakfast Club, and the lighter bronzer is a paper being thrown through the air. Now I'm using the darker color for my double chin. And I'm gonna use the gold for my inner corners and my nose. You know, the more champagne-y gold highlight. I think I'm just doing 2 looks. I know it comes with 3 lipsticks, but I think I'm just doing 2 looks. So yeah, these lashes are too big because you can't really see my eyes. When your eyes are open, all you see is the lash. I also think I'm gonna put a little bit of this lighter concealer to try and brighten my face a little. I'm putting that a little bit over that gold. I'm really loving this. So I blend everything in is with the powder. A big brush in the powder. This is an older Wet n Wild liner. And I'm using the mauve lipstick. This is different. I'm using my Stitch. I gotta hold it far away because it's pretty heavy. So anyway, this is the finished look. I definitely can't wear these lashes with my makeup look. They're like for Halloween, type of stuff. So yeah, definitely I need demi wispies for my small deep set eyes. And again, if the camera's coming out yellow, I'm not sure what is going on. It's very frustrating. But anyway, this is the finished look. And next week I'll use the volume 2 face palette, and it comes with like a coral and a nude. I think I might just mix them together, because I think I'm just gonna do 2 looks out of this. And yeah, that's it. I did my hair on Thursday last week, a week ago. And I kind of like overlapped on colors because I felt like I didn't use enough purple and pink. One of the things I noticed that it did not cover the silver right here. You can see it didn't cover the silver because your hair needs to be porous, and I usually just put bleach on my silver as well, so it'll take better to the color. But I overlapped colors, so it's really cool to me. Instead of like 6 colors, I feel like I have 12 colors in my hair because they overlap: the pink, the orange, the yellow, the green, the cyan, and then the purple. I liked how the purple came out. My bunny kept eating my hair, my grand bunny, and I had these nice little curls, and now I got these little stubs. So it kind of bothers me. When my hair's down, it's so fluffy, it tickles my ears, and I don't like that. So yeah, so I did my hair, but I've washed it twice since then. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that it feels like my green and yellow are almost done, because that's the most, my longest hair is in the back, and it takes up, those colors the most. So anyway, so that's what I did with that. But anyway, again, sorry that it comes out yellow. I hope when I take my picture it doesn't. I even got a new background, a black background. It's just those little office displays that open up. That's usually what I use. I tried painting once, and it deteriorated. The water deteriorated the poster board, the display board, and then I tried to do the stickers, but they come off, the duct tape, but they kind of come off. So I said, let's try the black background. I thought maybe that would help with this yellowing, but it doesn't seem to. And I keep forgetting to go to Home Depot. I don't really go out that much. I've slowed down a lot, and I found out that it was because I am under extreme fatigue, and it's my blood thinners. I was taking half my Eliquis for like over a year, and then I started getting AFib again. So I started taking a whole Eliquis, and I have been under fatigue, extreme fatigue. It's been really hard on me, But I took pictures from the box and forgot to take pictures of the face palette. I swatched the shadow, the lipsticks, but I forgot to do the face palette. So I will do that between today and tomorrow, because this most likely will not be up until tomorrow. So anyway, again, this is the finished look. I'm closing my eyes because you can't really see with the lashes. Next week I'll probably use the other purple with different colors as well, and probably mix the nude and the coral. So anyway, okay, I will see you guys next week with another look from this, and that's it. Love you. Mwah.